to the Crystals Abundance YouTube channel. Yes, we're all abundant. Boo! My name is Crystal, and I'm here to spread positivity, yes, and to help you and you get rid of that weird energy. Okay? Because we don't want none of that. That what? Oh, that weird energy. Weird energy. That weird energy. Weird energy. Weird energy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Crystal, what are we going to be talking about today? I'm going to be talking about making a vision board. Yes, I'm talking about making a vision board. Yes, I'm talking about making a vision board. Yes. But before we do that, let's get that stage popping because you know I don't fuss with my stage. Yay. I am so excited about this. I am so excited. Ooh, woo! Why are you excited? Because, you know, it's taking me back, way back. Take me back to when I was in school and, you know, the teacher said to do an art project and I moaned and groaned and said, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But now I understand the importance of being a little bit artsy and crafty. Yes. This stage is not playing. Because, yay! Oh my gosh, this sage bundle is not playing. It's just everywhere. New tablecloth needed. Oh my gosh. That means it's going to be a spicy video, right? It's going to be lit. Oh, first let me get my abundance oil. Yes. Available for sale on my website. I have my abundance oil available and also my blocking oil available. Oh, check out that video on how to use the blocking oil. And then check out that video on how to use my abundance oil. The smoke never lies. The smoke never lies. Oh my God. I'm so excited to share this with you. Why? Okay, because in the beginning of every video, I say, we're all abundant. Boo! And I mean it. We're all abundant, boo. And that is a positive affirmation. And what a vision board does is create a visual of our positive affirmations. And I absolutely love that. I am so blessed to be here with you and you, because positive affirmations are the key to getting what you want. You know, a lot of people talk about manifestation and positivity. And it's just super important to have a visual of what you want. Hold that thought. You know this video is going to be all the way live because I forgot to put my most important, well, yeah, it's important to me. One of my most important affirmations on my vision board. So first, I'm going to explain more about positive affirmations. This little book right here is called Creative Abundance. And you're like, Crystal, you already have abundance. I know, right? But there's always enough for more. There's always enough for more. And I just want to read this really quick. Okay? Here's a prayer. Almighty I am. Presence. Enter now. Occupy and take dominion over my superconscious and unconscious minds. Holy Christ self, enter now. Occupy and take dominion over my conscious and subconscious minds. Okay? When you have offered this prayer, you can recite your own creative affirmations for spiritual and material abundance. It is a good idea to recite your affirmations for each compartment of your mind, as in the following example. Okay? In the name of my I am presence and my holy Christ self, I am perfect abundance in my super subconscious mind. In the name of my I am presence and holy Christ self, I am perfect abundance in my conscious mind. In the name of I am presence and holy Christ self, I am perfect abundance in my subconscious mind. In the name of my I am presence and holy Christ self, I am perfect abundance in my unconscious mind. Okay? We want to be perfect abundance in our super subconscious mind, our conscious mind, our subconscious mind, and our unconscious mind. And this book explains it all. And I just love this cute little size, this little pocket-sized book. It's called Creative Abundance, Keys to Spiritual and Material Prosperity. It is so special. Yes. Oh my gosh. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, so how did you make a vision board, Crystal? First, I went to the Crayola aisle of Walmart. Yes, a grown woman. I went to the Crayola aisle of Walmart and I got a large poster board. I'm going to show you in a second. I got a large poster board. And then what I did was I took all of my junk mail and I captured the most intriguing statements that matched my goals. Okay. For example, I found this Ashley Furniture, no promo, Ashley Furniture book, okay? And it has cute little sayings in there. This one says, a little piece of paradise, a little piece of paradise. And that could be inspiring to you to have your home be paradise or to visit a place that feels like paradise. And then you would just cut that out and put that on your vision board. I cut out pictures of plants from here. And, you can keep going forward. Oh, my goodness. This one says, find the perfect fit. I know that's right. Find the perfect fit. That could be for a relationship. Right? Boink. It could be for a job, finding the perfect fit for your job. I believe I found so many things with positive affirmations. I found the perfect job. I found the perfect creative outlet, which is YouTube. And I'm so proud of myself for all the things I've done already. But I could always grow and do more. I could always grow and do more. And the vision board is about growing and doing more. Okay? Here's another one. It says, sit and stay a while. Okay, maybe your goal for your vision board is to be more relaxed and to take more time out to enjoy and smell the roses. Okay, I also found this one in one of my conference magazines, and it says, beyond all limits, beyond all limits. Okay, so we want to go higher and higher beyond all limits. The purpose of life is to really expand, right? To be fruitful and multiply. And that don't necessarily mean having them babies. You can expand and multiply your current life, okay? And what did I print out? YouTube. I printed out YouTube. Okay, I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to put it on my vision board. So hold on. Y'all ready for this? Ding, 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 ding. Hey! This is my vision board. Yes, this is my vision board. Woo! And in the center, it says something that resonated with me. It says, when someone says you can't do it twice and take pictures. I know that's right. I know that's right. And also at the top is a check, a big check for $56,225,000. Just kidding. Thousands of dollars. Nah, it's just for $56,000. Okay. And then we have over here $58,000. So I'm fitting to get that money. I'm fitting to get that coin. And then I had to include my YouTube right here. We have the YouTube symbol up here. And then up here I have YouTube as well. Yes, YouTube, Crystal is my name. Got that check. Of course, we had to have that good food, that delicious food. And then I have my massages. I love getting massages. I get massages like every 2 to 3 weeks to relax myself. It's so fabulous. And then I have budgeting right here, which is important. Right here, and it says, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went, okay? And then I have lawn care here. I'm going to show you up close really soon. I have my doggy here, positively clean, it says. I have this picture of a kitchen, keeping my kitchen nice and clean, per usual. A vision board does not have to be something you haven't accomplished. It could be something you are accomplishing, but want to just keep doing. And then calendar of events, because I've been trying to stay more organized, my beautiful people. Calendar, putting everything on my calendar. And then I have my plants here in every corner because I love cultivating nature in my house. Then I have some landscaping outdoors. I might get a patio. Ooh, I just got a balcony built. Yes, I did. I just got a balcony built on my house. So anything is possible. And when you do your vision board, go all out. Anything is possible. Do you think that I knew that I was going to get a balcony? Yes, I did know. I did, and it happened. I was just waiting for the right time. God blesses me in so many different ways. I just maintain, my patience and keep the faith. Vision board is about keeping faith in God that He is going to actually give you those things that you need. All you have to do is have your positive affirmations. And this is a visual of your positive affirmations. Have faith and it will happen for you. Oh, and I have up here traveling with a boo. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do a slow-mo of Crystal's vision board. The best we can. Okay, we got our glam squad up here. We got the check. $56,000. Keep it classy. Okay, $300 there. Then we have Beyond All Limits. Okay, we got the moolah, baby. We got more cooking. Oh, yes. We have Freshly, because I'm fresh to death. Oh, yeah. Then we have our landscaping and more money. $58,000. Yes, that is my vision board. That is my vision board. I worked hard on it. It was so fun to make, okay? Oh, tell me about your vision board and what your experience was with it. And tell me if you're ready to make one. And all you need is newspaper clippings, a glue stick, and a poster board. And you're all set. I might frame mine. I don't know. And you know what? You can use the back and the front of your poster board. You can use an art canvas if you like. You could draw it by hand if you like. You could use all computer images if you like. You could actually just put it on a tablet, on like a Word document, if that's more your flavor, and have it on your tablet or on your computer. You don't actually have to have it physically because Lord knows we're trying to conserve space, right, and paper. Okay, that's all I have for you today. You made it to the end. 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 Bye.